People from Norway come up here to demonstration against the Volkswagen.
We were standing outside of a Volkswagen dealership due to their decision to continue operating a car plant in Chinese-occupied East Turkistan, where there are undeniable large-scale human rights abuses and the largest mass internment of a people since World War II. But this goes as no surprise, knowing that Volkswagen also used forced labor and concentration camp prisoners during World War II. Now, while numerous multinational companies have already cut ties and are continuing to distance themselves from China due to this current-day genocide, Volkswagen stays complicit, and they are maintaining their facilities and using it to produce their vehicles and even sell their vehicles to the Chinese Communist Party. So we are outside of Volkswagen in 15 major cities around the world, and we're going to continue to do this until Volkswagen meets our demands, which is to shut down the factories in East Turkestan and to cut ties with Chinese companies in their supply chain.